Hi, welcome back to another short tutorial, and this time we're going to talk about charting using Microsoft Excel. This is going to be a very short video tutorial because this will be an activity to demonstrate on how to use charts in Microsoft Excel based on the instructions on the file that has been opened. Okay, so I will also be posting a link to a file of this file for you to be able to follow. Okay, so to start with, let's do the first activity, which is select the range B7 to C10, which is B7 to C10, and then hit F11 key. So this is for quick chart. Okay, so F11 for quick charting. So automatically Excel will generate for you a chart based on the values that you have highlighted, which is this. Okay, so this is the chart that it generated and placed it to another sheet. Okay, if you want to do that, you can, and you can practice that with other values as well. So the next one is using the chart wizard to create a chart. So the one that I'm using is Microsoft Office 2016, okay, which the charts are already here. You click on insert, and then first what you do is you highlight, okay, according to the instruction, select the range B24 to E27, which is B24 to E27, this one. Okay, so chart wizard and then Excel standard. So to generate the bar chart, so it would look something like this. So you can click on charts here, or you can also, if it's here already, you can just select. Okay, but if you want to check the others, also the other options, you can click on this, the drop down, and then more pie charts. So from here, you'd be able to see the other options for charts that you can use. But as with the instruction, okay, we're going to follow this. So this is a bar chart. Right? Select the bar chart, and then it should look something like this. So that means the R&D is here, overhead is here, and marketing is here. And I think this is the one that looks like that. Uh, where's that? This one. Sorry, I need to select this one. So this one. So R&D, overhead, overhead, sorry, and marketing. And that's it. It is selected now, and then click OK. So that's it. You may now edit this, okay, and the other labels as well. Okay. So that's for this exercise. Next one is you can customize this, okay? So you don't have to stick with how this looks like originally. You can customize this according to how do you want to for this to come out, okay? So next is this one. Exercise that you create a scatter plot XY chart. So what you do, of course, okay, always remember that you have to have a table for you to, for Excel to generate a chart for you. Otherwise, you cannot just create a chart right away if you don't select a table with values. Okay, so it's important to first have a table with the values. So according to the instruction, select B46 to F47, B46 to F47, and then scatter. So same thing, we go to insert. So this time we're going to use the XY scatter. We're going to choose the XY scatter, charts, more pie charts, and select the XY scatter. So something should look like this one. So this is the one that's selected. Okay, so this one, and then click OK, and here's our pie chart. sorry, XY scatter plot chart. Okay, so you can now customize this according to your preference. Okay, so that's all, guys. This is just going to be a guide for you to do your activity for as instructed on your exercise. Okay, so thank you so much for your time. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.